Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, September 28th to Friday, October 3rd. Going to be breaking down my five main currency pairs with gold, US 30, S&P 500, NAS, and WTI COUSD, and Brent crude oil. Start us off and start with the DXY. So DXY from the previous week going into this one, we still see prices still trending to the downside. Right, daily has been rejecting. Previous price overshot this area of demand right around here. Right, overshot it as well before overall coming back to the upside. Now we see price rejecting from the sell order block. Rally based drop scenario. We go ahead and label that. See price continuing to go to the downside since this would be the last previous structure lower high that led to this lower low. Price is rejecting from that. Oh my god, I need to charge my MacBook. Overall, I want to see a market flow switch from this lower high. Sorry, this higher low that to this higher high. Break in, retest, and follow through to get a market flow switch. That would give us a stronger indication that we're going to go to the downside. Next, we got GJ. GJ from the previous week going into this one, we see price has been breaking this area. All these bombings that have been happening in the last few weeks with, I think it was Qatar getting bombed, right? A lot of uncertainty. Big investors are going to put their money in safe haven currencies. Yen's going to go up, gold's going to go up, Swiss franc's going to go up. That's what's happening here. All-time highs are getting taken out. I'm going to go ahead and label this area of supply. Let's see what price is going to do in this area. See what happens though. Daily H4, H8, all bullish. GU coming off that daily area of supply. Sorry, weekly area of supply I had labeled. Overall looking like it's going to go to the downside to come back to this area. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch this area out. Overall 3-hour demand area. Sorry, not 3-hour. Daily demand area. I haven't been trading GU, if I'm being honest, for a long time. I've only been trading gold. That's why my chart is not up to date. But in terms of areas that prices reversed from, we did get a reversal from that weekly area of supply right around there. Overall, now we see prices raging, but daily structure and weekly structure, weekly structure is bullish, daily structure is ranging. EU, previous week going into this one, we do see price took out that daily area of supply right around here. So I'll go ahead and delete this area since it's no longer a respected area of supply. Coming back, price came to that weekly area of supply, overall tapped it, overshot that area, stop hunted it, liquidity sweep, whatever you want to call it. Overall, it is a overshoot before overall coming back to the downside. Now coming back to this previous area of daily demand. Let's see what happens with that pair going forward next week. AUD USD. Price rejected from this daily supply area, shot through this area, but overall came back to the downside. Now it's looking like we're getting rejection from this daily area of demand right around here. This daily buy order block. Gonna leave that there. See what happens. UJ, like I said, any pair with the yen is most likely gonna go up. UJ has been trending because yes, while all that uncertainty is going on, the US dollar is still a very strong currency, right? And you can see even though safe haven currencies are going to be on the rise and are going to increase since investors are pouring their money there with all this bombings and stuff happening and all these big economic factors going on right now, it still goes to show how strong the US dollar is. While it does look like we are going to take out this area of supply, right around there, it does show that price is still fighting. It just goes to show the strength of the US dollar. Gold, not really much to talk about here. All-time highs, not really previous price action to break here. A lot of trades I've taken on gold. I think I ended last week 2% for the week, 2 or 3% for the week on my personal account. Overall, gold's been going nowhere but up. Not really much to break down. I've just been taking continuations, maybe sells if it's very clean. WTI COUSD. Haven't been trading this pair either, but overall price is ranging. The hour like we could be going to the upside. BCO USD, same price action as WTI. S&P, all-time highs like fucking gold. Hard to break down a pair that's has no previous price action as to where it could be going, right? All we could do is label continuation demand areas. I would watch for continuation buys, and let's see what happens. But that's all for my weekly breakdown video. I thank you guys for watching my video, and have a good trading week.